Hi, second graders. Today we're going to talk about inches, feet, and yards. So to start off, I have the word inch. Inch is not very big. It's about the size of your thumb knuckle to the other knuckle. Okay, we kind of talked about it. Something that is about an inch, and I want you to write this on your paper, is a big paper clip. So we'll just, on your front of your paper, you're going to draw a paper clip. We just do this. And you put big paper clip. Ooh, that eye. Yikes, let me fix that. Okay, so something that's an inch is about a big paper clip. So inches, it takes more to measure a big object. Something that you might want to measure in inches would be a tigergram, a pencil, maybe your iPad, okay? A foot, okay? Foot is bigger. A foot, there are 12, 12, write this in there, inches, so 12 paper clips in 1 foot. Something that is about a foot long that you can compare it to is a ruler, obviously, because a ruler has 12 inches on it. But something else that can be about a foot is a notebook. So go ahead and draw a notebook. Spiral notebook and write notebook. Finally, we're talking about a yard, okay? Go back to the feet. Something that you might want to measure in feet might be Mrs. Powell's desk would be feet, okay? If I measured it, it's probably about 4 feet long. Measure the iPad cabinet with a foot or feet. If there's more than one, we call it feet. You measure the carpet that we sit on with feet. Let's go to yards, okay? Yards are the biggest that we can measure. And something that is about a yard would be, let's see. About a yard would be a baseball bat. Okay? If you look on the inside, there's a baseball bat. So we're going to draw a baseball bat that you used to play baseball with. And you can put bat, like a baseball bat. And here's the next thing. There are 3 feet. So you'd put 3 rulers in a yard. I want you to write this. 3 feet in 1 yard. Things that we could measure using a yardstick would be the length of the room. That would be good because inches, it would take too long. Feet, it would take long. Yards would be the best option. I could measure my room at my house. I could measure from the bottom of the room to the top of the ceiling. Those are good things to use a yard for. All right, make sure you have that on your front. Now let's go to the inside. Okay, second graders, so numbers 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and do. Numbers 4, 5, and 6, we're going to do together later at the end of math. So you don't need to do 4, 5, and 6, okay? But you do need to do the back. Do you need to do 4, 5, and 6? No, you don't, because we'll do it together. But number 1, which one would be about an inch? Well, if I look back on the front, I know that an inch is only about the size of a paperclip. So one of those chips that we use, or those counters, would be about an inch. Not very big. What's something that is about a foot? Would it be the table from here to here of a regular table, a counter, or a water bottle? Well, I've already used counter. I know that's an inch, so it can't be counter. Well, table, that's pretty big, so it can't be a table. Foot, about a water bottle. And about a yard, well, I've already used water bottle and counter. And I know that a counter is about an inch, a water bottle is about a foot. So the length from one leg to the other leg of a table would be about 1 yard. Do you understand? Is your height closer to 4 feet or 4 yards? How do you know? I would say 4 feet because 4 yards would be, I'm going to change the color so you can see it, really tall. 4 yardsticks, that would be super tall. Okay, you do not need to do 4, 5, or 6 because we are doing it together at the end of math. Go to the back. All right, number 8, because you shouldn't have done the 4, 5, or 6 because we're doing it together. Number 8, Calvin measures the length of a car. He says it is 3 units long. Circle the unit Calvin used. Would it be 3 inches? Well, let me think about that. Would it be 3 paper clips long if it's a regular car? I don't think so. 3 feet? 3 feet. 3 water bottles long. I don't think so. 3 yards. 3 baseball bats long. That's about what I think. Number 9, which is about an inch in length. Remember, an inch is about the same as a counter, one of those red or yellow counters, or a big paper clip. Would it be A, a calendar, B, an umbrella, C, oh, look, sorry, I just saw this, an inch. That's about an inch. Which one of those is about an inch? A bug? Or D, a table? Number 10, draw 3 pictures of things you see outside. Choose objects that are about an inch, about a foot, and a yard long. Explain your drawings. Okay? When you are done, take this home. Or no, keep it on your desk. Sorry. Because we're going to do the inside together at the end. We're going to measure together because I don't have enough things to measure. Then you can get on front row.